good? Okay, what I want to teach about is...
Can I record this?
Sure. Is about thermochemistry, and I want to teach just a really quick concept, and then I'll go into a bit more detail. But the idea is this: is that when we are breaking bonds, and now what we're talking about is, say for example, we heat up a solid and it changes to a liquid, and liquid to gas. We're breaking weak intermolecular bonds between the molecules. Are you with me? And when we do that, energy is actually absorbed, and so therefore this is actually an endothermic process. Okay? And when we do the opposite, when we condense down and we go from gas to liquid to solid, we are doing a process called making bonds, and this is actually exothermic by nature. Now we're not talking about a chemical reaction where we're making and breaking a whole lot of bonds. We're talking about just making or just breaking bonds. Now, when you take the letter B from that and endo, we get the word bendo. When we take the M from making and we take the word exo, we get nexo. And so in chem we've got to learn about a little man called Bendo the Nexo. Okay? And that's how you can remember breaking bonds is endothermic and making bonds is exothermic. Now it gets even better, because if you look very carefully at the shape of your hand, if you put your hand like this, it looks like an exothermic graph. And if you put your hand like this, it looks like an endothermic, graph, right? And so if you say bendo the nexo, so you've got one arm going up this way and one arm going up this way, bendo the nexo, you've got the shape of those two graphs, and you can remember what an endothermic and what an exothermic graph looks like. And that's because breaking bonds is endothermic and making bonds is exothermic.
So how did the hand gesture go?